Okay, so this time I'm going to make an etched glass. So I'm using some of the Gmcrafts glitter etched vinyl. Doesn't look very much on the piece of paper when it comes, but it does look good on the glass when it's finished. As you can see, if you catch it in the light, you can see the slight glitteration in it. I'm using canvas again. So on canvas, I went into the stamp option, and I'm making a 21st glass. So in the stamp option, you've got all these different things which will give you perfect outlines for a label or whatever it is you want. So they're not just for stamps, they're for all sorts of things, and I use them for loads of different things that I make with the vinyl. So I use this label stamp and I put it in the middle here, and then I used the letter font to make a Made in 21 Years of Awesome and the 1997, and then downloaded it by clicking download. I'm not going to do it now because my internet's really poor today, and it will give you two options to download to your machine if you've got Wi-Fi, or your computer if you haven't, or if you want to save the file on your computer, obviously you can do that. I transferred it via Wi-Fi to my machine and resized it because basically I want it to sit on the front of the glass. So what I do is I work out roughly how wide I want something to be and how deep, and then I cut accordingly. I go into the resize box, which is here, put in the size that I want, okay. I put it in the top corner, okay again. I go to cut, and just to confirm my settings, I cut speed 1, pressure 0. My blade, as always with vinyl, is half, and then I'm going to load the mat and press it to cut. When I've done that, I'll bring you back. Okay, so I fill my glass with water to where I want it to be. I've weeded my 21 Years of Awesome label, but I just wanted to show you this is my second cut. The first cut, some of the letters, the bit missing behind is me pulling it off to show you, make it easier for you to see. You see how a couple of the letters pulled as it was cutting, and that's because it was just slightly too small and my blade was slightly too deep. So I've actually reduced my blade to 1/4 and just slightly increased the font. That way you can tell the size difference is not literally millimetres in it, but it was enough of a difference to make a difference. So I'm going to apply that now to my transfer sheet, and then when I've applied it, I'm going to put it on the glass. And basically the way you put it on the glass is you put it on your transfer sheet and then address your transfer sheet with the line you want to align to the level of the water. So I'll bring you back when I'm doing that and show you how it goes. Alright, you can see it on its transfer sheet, you can see it lined up with the letters. Because it's curved and it's a ball, as in B-O-U-L-E shaped glass, I'll apply the first middle bit first, then move it round to get it straight on the glass. But I'll show you that when I'll bring you back when I've done it, and then you'll see how easy it is. But basically, you see the water line, you make sure you line up those letters that you're going to do it with that. Okay, and there we are. It's very difficult when it's on there to catch it in the right light. Made in 97, 21 Years of Awesome.